choose one of us to make cookies with.
Yeah. Okay, who do you want to make cookies with?
Great! Let's get started! Let's get cookie cutting! Yeah, baby! Now, choose an A! E! A! Like in
Apricot.
E! A! Great job, Chef! Now it's time to decorate! Very nice, Chef! Oh, Elmo likes what you did there. Pretty. Ooh, nice choice, Chef. Oh, do you want to add some more? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Ta-da! Behold, our cookie creations! Tap the cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them to share with Cookie Monster.
Hey, what are we waiting for? Me remember someone saying there would be cookie sharing. Cookie. Cookie.
Here we go! Now, choose a letter and drag it on the dough. Tap who you want to make cookies with. Chef,
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy. Let's get started. This time, me gonna try this. L. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Log. Log. To come to cookie. It's Cookie Miracle. It log. Okay, watch this. L. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Lag. Lag. That's terrific mixing. It work. It lag. This cookie lag behind. Come on, keep up, Cookie, keep up. Okay, how about this? F. N. Now you. Oh, fun. Oh, that smells delicious. It's Cookie Miracle. It's fun. We have so much fun making cookies. Okay, how about this? F. N. Now add your letter. Fan. Oh, me no can wait. Magnifique. A cookie that look like fan. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy, delicious word cookies ready to eat. Go ahead. Okay, me start word. D. G. Wow, you. Dag. Yeah, that's it. It's Cookie Miracle. Dag. This cookie have nice decorative edge. Okay, me start word. D. G. U-turn. Dog. Yeah, that's it. Holy cannoli! It cookie in shape of dog. Okay, me start word. C. L. P. Wow, you. Clop. Clop. That's it. It's working. Holy cannoli. It clop. Hey, this cookie sound like horse. Okay, watch this. C. L. P. Wow, you. Clap. Clap. That's terrific mixing. Oh boy, me no. It work. It cookie that look like clap. This cookie deserves round of applause. Oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy, delicious word cookies ready to eat. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Yeah. So drag cookies over to me. This time, me gonna try this. F. L. P. U-turn. Flap. Flap. That's it. It's working. Cowabunga. It. Flap. Quick, no let cookie fly away. This dough. Hear me go. F. L. P. Go for it. Flop. Flop. Come to cookie. Oh boy, it work. It flop. Me no can wait to flop down and eat more cookies. Okay, watch this. P. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Pug. Oh please, oh that's it. It's working. It's beautiful. It's cookie in shape of pug. This dough. Hear me go. P. G. Go for it. Peg. Come to cookie. It work. It cookie that look like peg. Oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy, delicious word cookies ready to eat. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Yeah. So drag cookies over to me.